Hello everyone, I am Kirti Dalvi, Assistant Professor at Sarhat College, Pune. In second year, BBA, HR specialization. Subject name is Legal Aspect in Human Resources. So today we will learn about the HR policy. So first of all, we see the what is a policy. A policy is predetermined course of action established as a guide towards accepted objectives and strategies of the organization. So, a rule or predetermined course of actions established to guide an organization towards its objective. A policy guides the course of future action of the management. Similarly, an HR policy also indicates the line of action or attitude the management is likely adopt a future in a future towards a personal and their problems. So a vision, here is the vision formulated business, processing are analyzed and policy and procedure system to support the vision are born as policies and the procedures are written, approved, published and implemented. The company vision is articulated. So why develop a policy manual? So before that we will see the importance of HR policies to achieve the objectives of organization, to bring uniform in decision, to delegate the authority, to achieve the better control, to evaluate efficiency, to create confidence among employees, to motivate the employees, to guide the management. So these are some important points for the HR policy. So why develop a HR manual? Sorry, why develop a policy manual? Policy manuals are developed to help staff and management teams run the organization in best use situation. Policies plays a strategic role in an organization. Carefully drafted and standardized the policy and procedure save the company countless hours of the management time. So the consistence use the interpretation of such a policy in an even-handed and fair manner reduce management concern about legal issues becoming legal problem. So what is the objectives of HR policy? So first one is to provide fair, acceptable and efficient leadership. Second, to provide an opportunity for expansion and rise in management. Third one, to strengthen and appropriate the human asset continuously by providing the training and development programs. To provide the facility and condition of work and creation favorable atmosphere for maintaining stability of employment. Last one, to attain an effective utilization of human resources in the achievement of organizational goals. So these are the goals of organization. First one is a mission written, strategic objective set. Third is a policy are developed, and fourth is a procedure to carry out policy. So there are some various type of policy which policies are going in organization. First one is a employment policy. So there are the policy that guide hiring practices, orientation of new employee, compliance with employment laws, and confidentiality. Means whenever the new joiner join the company, so there is some documentation, so that all the kind of policy they have signed by the new joiner, company's laws, compliance, and all the things. So that is the employment policy. Second is the employee status and records. There are the policy that defines such a issue and employment classification, access to personal file, and guidance on how background check and performance reviews are to be performed. Okay, so it is the going on process. Third one is the employee benefits. The policies that explain employee benefits such as insurance, vacations, holidays, leaves. In leaves there is a PL, privilege leaves and casual leaves, medical leaves. In employee reimbursement, if the employee is doing some surgery or any accident happens in a organization or in manufacturing sector, so that reimbursement company is giving. So these are the bonuses also here, employee benefits. Next policy is a payroll policy. So these are policies that are related to salary and wages administration, including deduction, pay advance, and timekeeping. Okay, so here is the deduction means the your PF deduction, tax professional tax deduction, medical insurance deduction, workplace guideline. These policies are quite varied and their purpose range of defining certain works arrangement such as flex time and telecommunication to offering the guideline on use of the company asset and record retention, employee conduct. The employee policies are guidelines that control employee behavior and conduct on the job. The mainstay of this section is a code of conduct, but also important are policies regarding substance abuse, smoking, harassment, and workplace violence. Last is a e-policy. The policies guide staff in the use of organization information technology. Policy define acceptable and prohibited activities and use of emails and the internet make up a major